Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft bucket in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is get a workbench. So to get the workbench, just press tab on your keyboard. Here you'll see workbench. Just come here, click on craft. Make sure you have these items. Any tree trunk 4 pieces, any stone 3 pieces. Click on craft. Once you craft this, press F to open the workbench. Click on this icon for crafting, and I need you to craft a furnace and a farmer's workbench. To get a furnace, you make sure you have 6 pieces of tree trunks, any of them. You can get any stones, 6 pieces. Click on craft, and then I want you to craft a farmer's workbench, 6 pieces of any tree trunk and 20 pieces of plant fiber. Click on craft. Once you have that, go to your furnace. I want you to add fuel. You can use charcoal, you can use sticks as well. Just turn that on. Make sure you have iron ore as the input. That will give you iron ingots. Then what I want you to do, once you get your iron ingots, you come here, open the farmer's workbench, and then here in the first section, this is the farming section, click on your wooden bucket, and then make sure you have any wood, 3 pieces, 1 piece of iron ingot, and then you click on craft, and then you get your bucket. Then you can use this bucket to go ahead and milk cows, or you can fill this bucket with water as well. As you can see right here, you just come here and right click, and as you can see, we have a bucket of water. And that is how to craft bucket in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me out.